You all saw this G Wiz here. So, you all have seen the commercials. I've seen the commercials. Dr Squatch soap. It's finally here. This is the $50 box I just ordered. Got pine tar. I have yet to open that up. Chris IPA. Soda bar. Alright. Smells like some oranges. And deep sea goat's milk was given to me. That's pretty cool. That's cool right there. I think this is the famous soap saver. Yes, yes. Alright. I actually have always cut my bars. See, this is 1 bar of soap, but this 1 bar of soap has lasted me for so long because of just cutting it into squares. So this might actually last me a long time. Maybe a couple years even. Moisturizing shampoo, and I think a conditioner. That's really what's going to be something I'm going to be buying often. Oh, but where's my conditioner? Oh, I thought it was supposed to come with conditioner though. Well, let's see what this says that I bought. Let's see. Huh. Ah, I see. So they're out of conditioner. Makes sense. I don't know if anyone else noticed, but there's this little port where you can smell the soap. Chris IPA. IPA. Honestly, this smells really freaking good. The goat milk smells really mild, but it might feel good. And the pine tar, very clean, minty smell. This is actually really good for washing like armpits, I would imagine. This is more of something I'd lather on my chest. And this is probably more for my face. Yes, separate bars for separate places. You can tell the bars are handcrafted based on the cuts. These are imperfect cuts. However, it does look like the way it feels, the texture, it's very smooth on the sides here. Its smell, of course, is the same as what I smelled it through the hole, but the feeling of it, cutting it into squares so that it matches these, tricky. But we do have a holder for this, so let's see what we can do. I'm actually surprised this isn't as soft on the sides. Kind of rough, but it smells good. Okay, so this is how you save money on the soap. You want to use your holder, kind of like this. And you see I kind of switch things around a little bit. Why? Because I'm going to be using this for cleaning. Most of the time I'm going to be detoxing. Alright, so at the end of my shower room, this is how my bars are going to look like. I tried out the hair care as well. But you're mostly going to need the black one, like I said, because it's detoxing, antibiotics, all that, sensitive areas, you know, the areas that matter. Next, most used is definitely the citrus. It smells really good. You want to put that on your body, like everywhere. It smells amazing. Next, goat's milk. I mostly use this on my face, so you're probably not going to use this very much unless you want softer skin. But anyway, that's how you use the bars. So, what to expect out of your soap? You're going to be using your cleaning soap, which is going to be the pine tar, 18 days. Expect to use the orange soap about 3 times as long, maybe a little bit less, but about 3 times as long, I would say. Anywhere between 36 and 72 days. It's about up to 3 months, 1 to 3 months for orange. Definitely only like 3 weeks for the pine tar. It's not going to last much longer than that. As for the goat's milk, you can expect that to last anywhere between 6 and 12 months. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.